In this lecture, I want to go quickly through a dual table. So a dual table is a specific thing that exists on every Oracle database. It is not a table that we are querying data from, but we are using it to execute some function or to execute some arithmetic function or to retrieve just plain data. So it's a dummy table and it consists only of a dummy column and just one value. Let's check through it how this works. So when we query from dual table, we can see it only has one column, one value of x, and the column name is done. When we want to retrieve a value from some function, on other databases, we would just select SYSDATE, for example, and that's it. On Oracle, this wouldn't work because it doesn't go to any table. So we have to add from dual. Now we get the SYSDATE returned back to us. We can also make some arithmetic computation. For example, 1 plus 2. And we're going to get back 3. Right? Or just plain text. ABC. Right? And have in mind that Oracle doesn't go directly to dual table when querying in this format. But the optimizer realizes that we just want to return some value or execute some function. So nothing in performance-wise is lost. This table is accessible from each user account, so you can use it all the time.